GE Dishwasher suddenly flashed error code 888. Don't panic. In this quick and simple guide, I'll show you exactly what it means and how you can fix it at home without stressing. This looks confusing at first, but once you understand where it comes from, the fix becomes much easier than you'd expect. So first, what does the 888 code even mean? It's not a normal error message. Most of the time, it shows up after a power surge, a reset, or sometimes when there's a wiring issue with the flow meter or the air gap. It can also appear if the dishwasher briefly loses communication with the control board. It looks dramatic, but it's usually nothing major, and you can fix it with a few careful steps. Start by cutting the power. Either unplug the dishwasher or flip the breaker off. Don't work on anything electrical while it's still live. Once the power's off, open the dishwasher door and remove the 2 screws on the inside edges. You'll find one on each side, then remove the 2 screws at the back. Leave the cable hose holder alone, you don't have to touch that. Now lift off the metal housing on top. Push the control panel forward slightly, just about an inch, then lift it up and off. Under that, you'll notice 2 more screws on each side of the metal housing. Go ahead and remove those, but handle the edges carefully because they can be sharp. Take your time here, since keeping everything aligned makes reassembly a lot smoother later. Once everything is open, look for the flow meter or the air gap. It's usually located on the left side. Check the wiring and connections. Make sure nothing is loose, corroded, or covered in buildup. If the contacts look dirty, gently clean them. If a wire looks damaged or the part seems completely unresponsive, that may be the component that needs replacing. A loose wire alone can trigger the 888 code, so even a tiny adjustment can solve the problem. When you're done examining and cleaning, start putting everything back together. Reseat the control panel, reinstall every screw, and make sure everything feels secure. Now restore power by plugging the dishwasher back in or turning the breaker on. Run a quick test cycle and see if the 888 code disappears. In most cases, this clears the issue right away and the dishwasher runs normally again. But if the code comes back, there may be a deeper wiring problem or a control board issue. At that point, it's best to contact GE support or schedule a technician to take a closer look. Sometimes the fix is simple, but when it's not, having a pro check, it can save you a lot of time. Hopefully, this guide helped you understand what's going on and gave you the confidence to try the fix yourself. If it did, make sure to check out more of my easy repair guides, and thanks for watching.